Did you do barbecue or?
Yeah, then we have some drinking.
Okay, all right. So it's anything that a Swede would never say no to. That is a fika. And fika is actually a slang word coming from the 1900th century of the word coffee, cafe. And if you would swap around the capitals in cafe, then you will get the fika. Fika is coffee, but it's also translated into coffee and cake break. Technically, that's correct, but it's also much more than that. Fika is a very important part of the Swedish culture. And we also try to make time to get together for a coffee with friends or colleagues. And in many Swedish workplaces, it's even kind of mandatory that you should have a fika time. And you use that time for, normally informal talks, not just always to talk about the business. So let's go for a fika. At IKEA, we have all the must-have for a good fika, like cinema buns, cookies, cakes, chocolate balls, and of course coffee to make a good fika. Inviting someone for a fika is the easiest thing you can do. It's not so much about what you are eating or drinking, it's more about who you have the fika with. Let's enjoy a good fika. Fika, fika, fika.